Alright guys, what's up? This is my 22 Agusta Brutale 800RR. I'm doing this video real quick because there are no tutorials really for how to swap your filter. So I went with the spray filter. So as you can see through it. And then this one, my bike is still new, but as you can see, obviously different material, so you can tell that there's gonna be a lot more airflow. But just so you know, you're gonna obviously have to take the tank off, and what that consists of is there are bolts here that you have to take off. There is also some nuts that you have to take off here, which coincides with this piece here. So there's like one screw here. I'm sorry that everything's taken apart, but you'll know there's only a few. So it's like one here, and then there's like grommets when you put the tank on, and which are those, and you have to pop these two remaining parts off, and then these will slide off. It'll then reveal the nuts there. Once you get those off, underneath the tank, you have to just connect this cable, which is there. Also, you have your gas hookup, you have to undo that as well. Then you have like, I think it's like eight screws. You have to undo those once you get the tank off, and they go all the way around. Make sure you put them back. I kind of just wanted to get through, so I didn't take this whole thing off. As you can see, there's a ton of connections here, which is crazy. Everything about this bike is compact, so you got to figure stuff out. This has to go back onto that bracket, and yeah, then you put everything back together. Last thing, for this piece here, which is one of your vents, you can see the mounting, so you will have to take 1, 2, 3 off. Don't just try and snatch your filter out, otherwise you can destroy it. So in case you want to reuse it again, you can. So you just basically undo these 3, and then you pull this one side out, and you're able to actually just like pull it all the way out through. So that should work for you.